guys, about to make your life a little simpler with this recipe. We're gonna make some crock pot mashed potatoes. Start with about 3 pounds of diced up potatoes. Then we're gonna put in a few little heaping tablespoons of minced garlic. And then cover all that in some black pepper. These are a lot of potatoes, so don't be shy with your seasoning. It'll sink into that. And then put in 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Once you have that, just give it a gentle stir. Try to get the garlic kind of spread around inside of the crock pot. Okay, so we have the garlic pretty nicely distributed throughout there. So we're gonna put our lid on and we're gonna put it on high. Oh, we're already there. For 3 hours, and then we have a few more steps before it's done. All right, y'all, it's been about 3 hours. So our potatoes should be ready for the next step. So what we wanna do is we wanna put in about 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of whole milk, and then get a little more flavor. We're gonna add some salt and pepper. All right, once you got all that in there, we're gonna take our electric hand mixer and get this thing to a smooth mash. All right, we got that pretty good and mashed up together. Let me go give it one more once over. Ooh, look how smooth and creamy that is. Yeah, just give it a little once over with the spatula. Man, look at that. That's crazy. Oh, there's a little stray in there. Wow. That's awesome. Okay, once you have it nice and mixed together, let's serve it up. That is so smooth looking. If you like really creamy potatoes, man, this is the way to go. It's pretty hot too. Mashed potatoes. Oh, it stopped raining. I need to do my taxes. Mmm. Yo. Y'all, this is good. I'm not just saying that because I made this. You should for real try this. I am not just saying that.